Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Sankalp. We have learning TypeScript. In TypeScript, class is very important. So today's tutorial we have discussed about class and we have learned how to create class and how to execute print our some statement in class. Okay. For better understanding, I have created one slideshow. So let's see the slideshow. This is slideshow, guys. We have open in present mode. Okay. We have creating the class. TypeScript creating class. Okay. Next, we have creating one class like customer class. We have two fields like first name and last name. After colon, we have defining the data type, and then we have defining the constructor and getter setter method. Okay. Second will be the basic structure of the class. In TypeScript, we have to view keyword like class and then class name, and then properties, constructor, getter setter method. If you have using the init class name like customer, employee, student, but extension will be dot .ps file. Then we have to create in properties are by default public. But then we have not defining the property to the class fields. Then it will be by default public. Okay, and here we can see the how to create a class and how we can create the constructor of that class. Okay, we have creating the object and in the object we have defining some values and we have printing that values. Okay, this is the class structure, guys. Then second thing will be that we have defined a constructor. The constructor we have using the constructor keyword. By using constructor keyword, you have using the creating the class. Must use this is to repair the properties defined in the class. This keyword is very important, guys. This keyword represents the current class variable. Okay. Second slide. So we have defined the like this. We have defined the customer class and we have to customer like uh, matrix and dictionary. Okay, then we have to console.log that class. We have to return the extracted dictionary in the console platform. Okay, then we have two very important term in the class is the modifier, access modifier. Access modifier is three types in the TypeScript language. First will be public, second will be protected, and third will be private. Public keyword will be property is accessible to all to class when default to modifier. Public means it will be the accessible to all class. Means we'll have one project and that will be 100 class. Then we have finding the property in that one class, then be accessible in the 99 class. Okay. Then second will be the protected. The property is only accessible in the current class and subclass. Means we have one parent class and then two child class. Then it will be accessible to the child class properties. It will be not accessible to another class of properties, guys. And third will be the private. Private is a property for using the it is accessible in the current class. Means we have to define property as a private. And it will be not defining not accessible to the another class or app child class or any other class. It will be accessible in the this class means in itself class. Okay, and we have defining here we can define the private. Then we will be compiler will be giving the error like first name will be private only. It will be seen in practical, guys. Okay. Then let's know all things, guys. Okay. Then we have to run our first class project. Okay. Then we have using the Eclipse Visual Studio Code idea, and here you can create one new file, customer.ps. Okay. And here we can create in the class customer. Okay. And here we can define the fields like first name string. Okay. And semicolon is not required. And last name string. Okay, and address string. Okay, this is our class is created, guys. Then we have to access that class. Then we have to create one object of that class. So we have object like my customer is equal to new customer. Okay, our object is created, and inside the object we have defining some properties like my customer dot first name like Rahul. Okay, my customer dot first name like Rahul. Okay, inside a TypeScript we have defined not like this. We have defining like this. Okay, like this. Okay, then second will be that our my customer dot last name Pandey. Okay, then my customer dot address like Mumbai. Okay, and here you can console that statement. Okay, then console dot log my customer dot first name. Okay, then console dot log my customer dot last name. Okay, then console dot log my customer dot address. Okay, very fine. Then we have to run this class. Okay, for running we have to bring the terminal window. Firstly, we have ls that, so we can define in the class. Okay, uh, okay. Then we have to one class. Okay, then our command is tsc dot cmd customer dot ps. Okay, our JS file is created, guys. See that our JS file is created. Then we have to our compilation process is successfully completed, guys. Then we have to run that customer dot JS file. Then we have to command like node customer dot JS. Okay, our three function is printing, guys. Then we have to successfully run our Angular project, guys. And then secondly, we have to not using the this logic. We have using the by using constructor. Okay, by by using okay for using constructor like the first will be data type will be string. Okay, the so name data type will be string. Okay, and the address address and data type will be the string. Okay, then we have defining the constructor fields. Okay, then we have using the this dot first name is equal to the first. Okay, this dot last name is equal to the last. Okay, this dot the address this dot address is equal to the address. Okay, our constructor is completed, guys. We have to save this and we have to using constructor we have to using the let my customer equal to new customer, and here you can define the our tag fields. Okay, then we have defining the Mayur last name will be the Shinde, address will be the Pune. Okay, that's all, guys. We have defined the field we are using constructor. Then we have to run this using defining same step, guys. We have first compile our code, then we have to run our code. Okay, Mayur Shinde Pune. It will be printing, guys. Okay, guys. We have learned how to create a class and what is the constructor, how we can use the constructor, and how we can define field line plain object. Okay. The next step will be the by using it will be by default public, guys, because that it will be accessing. we have to using the private, then we have to getting one error like this. See this, what is the error? Property first name is a private, only accessible within the class. This is the one class, guys, but it will not accessible without the class. Okay, guys, this is the functionality, guys. So we have to run this code. So this what happening. We have run this. Okay, how we have getting the compilation error. Okay, we have not saving that. So we have run this. We are getting compilation error. Okay. The error is saying that property first name is a private, not accessible within the class. Okay. This is the private. We have to remove the private keyword and run this again. So it will be running fine. See, it is running fine. Okay, guys. I hope you have understand the concept of how to create class in Angular. Okay, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. And if you new in my channel, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye.